You will regret one day having thrown old rice away after seeing this recipe. In a crusher, add 1.5 cups of rice, 80 grams of Parmesan cheese, 200 ml of water. Season with 1 teaspoon of Calabrian pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, salt to taste, and now just cap and leave it grinding very well. If you prefer, you can do this process in the blender. Then pass the whole mixture into a container. Add gradually. Add 1.5 cups and sweet sprinkle. When the dough becomes heavy, start mixing with your hands. This is the ideal point of the dough. Divide in half and place on top of a plastic. Over the dough, place another plastic and start opening with the help of a roll. With the dough very thin, start cutting. To make it easier to cut, I used the mouth of a glass. Now just take it to fry in hot oil, remembering that the oil can't be too hot or too cold. As soon as it's golden brown, it's ready. Now just let it dripping on a paper towel. And look how amazing it is. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. The perfect recipe for your breakfast, lunch, or even a taste-off. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.